62 alleged instigators of the July 2021 unrest is set to commence in the Durban High Court today. The accused face multiple charges, including terrorism, sedition, conspiracy to commit murder, and incitement to commit public violence. The state alleges that they orchestrated the widespread public violence and unrest that erupted in July 2021. For more on this story, let's cross now to SABC News reporter Nonhlakanipho Magwaza. Nonhlakanipho, good morning. And it's been 5 years on, and here we are now ready for this case to commence. And some people may remember vividly the images that we saw, but the charges that are faced by the accused are very serious.
Good morning, Sakina, and to the Morning Live viewers at home. Yes, they are very serious, and as you've said, it is almost 5 years, if it's not 5 years on the dot, that this case has been going on. It's simply because during the past court cases, the state or the defense has not been ready to resume with the trial. So Judge Hendricks said that whether or not they are ready, she is ready to resume with the trial. So the date was set for today. We are not even sure if it will go ahead and start today, because at the last court appearance, 3 of the accused did not have legal representatives, and they were warned at the time that if they don't have any legal representatives today, the trial will resume, because there have been so many delays. And as you said, that the charges are very serious. The conspiracy to commit murder stems from the charge that the state says that in the WhatsApp group they were inciting violence. They were inciting to go to Judge Zondo's home and burn the home and to kill the home. That's why kill Judge Zondo. Sorry, that's why where the conspiracy to commit murder case stems from. And the state does say that during this trial they will present a lot of digital evidence stemming from WhatsApp groups that they've picked up. That's why initially it was 65 people or accused that were supposed to stand trial, but as time went by, 2 of them passed away. So now it's like 63 accused who will be standing before the courts today. And the state did say that they were arrested because of the WhatsApp messages that were going around. Hence, that's why they said that the whole July unrest was a planned thing because of the WhatsApp messages that were being passed on from the groups. So we'll hear from courts today, Sakina, whether or not the trial does resume. It was set down for this month, from today up until next month, the first phase of the trial, and then the second phase was set down for September, if I'm not mistaken, Sakina. But we will hear from the courts, and we will hear whether or not the 3 accused that did not have a legal representative have finally found a legal representative, and they were brought up to speed. Back to you in studio, Sakina.
Thanks so much, Nonhlakanipho, and absolutely correct. The second phase is set for September.